This, dude, I came over the railroad tracks. It's like, what the heck is on my wall? What's up, dude?
Paint on it.
That's all right. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
This is gonna be real fun. This is quite the surprise. I totally forgot. I came here, completely forgot. Oh man, how are you, bro? Dude, I came over the railroad tracks. It's like, what the heck is on my wall? What's up, dude?
Paint on it.
That's all right. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
This is gonna be real fun. How long do you think it'll take?
Probably a couple more days, if it don't rain.
Yeah. Good luck with that. 2 days from now, we're gonna have a little mural Haggard up here on this wall. Just a fun little. It's got raccoons in it. It's pretty fun. It's gonna be really fun. So my guy's out here having a blast. I can't believe I forgot he was coming. That's so funny. My brain sucks right now. This is cool, dude. I'm really excited.
Thanks.
Really excited. It's gonna be fun to have a place for, you know, people to get those fun photos over the summer. Let's go check on the Mural and havoc on our ability to get things done. How's it going, dude?
You didn't let the weather stop me.
I see. Wow, this looks so good. It looks so good. I'm so stoked. This is so fun. His mascara's running.
He says I'm not dirty enough.
We're pretty much just flooded out here. We can't, the mural is looking good, but just can't get it finished in this rain. It just will not stop. But super progress, looks amazing. Super stoked about it. baby. Let's go. Looks fun. Oh, I like the out of order sign on the thing. This is fun, man. Heck yeah. All right, get a shot back here. This is like the, this was the thought, was we have a spot. All you guys come and visit this place. Now you and your family, your friends can take a photo right here. Bam. It's perfect. Good stuff. Love it. Just with how clear and clean this looks, I think we like do the same thing here.
Right, right.
It's the blue, like it's supposed to look like they're behind glass, but I just feel like that looks just sharp.
After I did it, I thought the same thing. So
you want to switch it?
Yeah.
Let's just switch it.
Yeah, that's
Only take you what, 10 hours?
Yeah, at least.
I'm sorry, dude. No, I'm sorry.
rainstorms.
This all looks so nice and bright, and this kind of looks like
Yeah.
oversprayed. So
Well, technically it is overspray.
just brighten her up, and it's 10 out of 10. I love it. And we'll get this landscaping done, and little by little, inch by inch, the whole place is turning into this weird mess of fun.